my pH straight. My acids all reacting with metals at a rapid rate. My base is waiting for me just across the lab tonight. Litmus papers changing colors, blue to red, it's quite a sight. And I know they neutralize when they meet, they form a bond, producing water and some salts. It's a reaction that goes on. So by the time the flask settles and you see ions collide, we'll set this lab on fire. Tonight we are charged, so let's watch reactions inspire. We'll burn brighter than the wire flame. Tonight we are charged, so let's watch reactions inspire. We'll burn brighter than the wire. Now I know that acids taste sour and bases feel so smooth and fine. But when they come together, oh, they form solutions so divine. And electricity flows through them both. In aqueous states they shine so bright. Our Archimedes taught us long ago, hydrogen and hydroxide ignite. So by the time the flask settles and the ions start to dance, we'll set this lab on fire. Tonight we are charged, so let's watch reactions inspire. We'll burn brighter than the wire flame. Tonight we are charged, so let's watch reactions inspire. We'll burn brighter than the wire. Just carry these ions tonight. Just carry these ions tonight. The strength of acids and bases collide. Will someone balance this equation tonight?